In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Google DeepMind and explore what it is in simple terms. If you've ever wondered how computers have become so good at tasks like playing chess or recognizing images, then you're in the right place. Google DeepMind is a leading player in the realm of artificial intelligence or AI, and it's quite fascinating how it all works. Let's begin by understanding what DeepMind actually is. Essentially, it's a British AI subsidiary of Alphabet, which is Google's parent company. DeepMind was founded with the vision of enhancing our understanding of intelligence while developing technology that could make the world a better place. The foundation of DeepMind is built on intricate algorithms that allow computers to learn in a somewhat similar way to humans. Now let's delve into how it all started. DeepMind's origins date back to 2010, and it quickly gained traction with its cutting-edge research in AI. The platform effectively combines neuroscience with machine learning, leveraging vast amounts of data to model complex decision-making processes. In 2014, Google acquired DeepMind, and with this acquisition, it gained access to a vast array of resources and technical expertise. This was a monumental step that amplified DeepMind's capabilities significantly. One of the fascinating aspects of DeepMind is its innovative approach, which includes deep reinforcement learning. This methodology enables the AI to learn from scratch by maximizing rewards through trial and error. Essentially, it means the AI can continuously improve by learning from its mistakes, a process similar to how humans learn. DeepMind's approach is not only theoretical but also practical. Perhaps one of the most well-known demonstrations of its technology was when its AI, AlphaGo, defeated a world champion Go player in 2016. Go is an incredibly complex board game, and this victory showcased the potential of AI in handling tasks even experts find challenging. Apart from gaming triumphs, DeepMind's technology has real-world applications that impact everyday lives. It's embedded in various Google products, enhancing their efficiency and effectiveness. Its algorithms power everything from optimizing data center energy use to predicting protein structures, which is a crucial task in the field of biology. DeepMind's mission extends beyond innovation. It focuses on ensuring that AI benefits humanity as a whole. It's continuously working towards breakthroughs in different sectors, including healthcare and climate science, showcasing its commitment to socially beneficial AI. In summary, Google DeepMind is a remarkable testament to the power and potential of artificial intelligence. By learning more about it, we gain insight into how technology is evolving and the incredible ways it can be used to improve our lives. I hope this discussion has provided you with a clearer understanding of what DeepMind is and its significance in the technological landscape. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of AI.